When civilian leadership, the president, parliament, and the judiciary fails to lead society due to fear, incompetence, corruption, or unwillingness to do its duties, it leaves a vacuum in the nation. Where civilians fail to govern, uniformed forces who have systems and operating procedures must take over. Subscribe or like out on the bill icon. For example, the presidency fails to uphold the constitution because it is captured or surrounded by criminals. Number 2, parliament cannot hold the presidency to account because criminals around the president are bribing or threatening parliament. Number 3, the judiciary fails to hear cases and it does not process applications in time, either because it is bribed or in fear. When this happens, then there is a vacuum in governance which can only be filled either by the masses taking over power through protesting the leadership out of office and selecting new leadership, or by more disciplined non-civilian power that is used to following orders and protocols and has never failing standard operating procedures. The uniformed forces will generally maintain law and order and are the only other capable system to take over. This is called upholding the constitution and keeping the state functioning. In the absence of civilian leadership, there can never be a leadership vacuum in a nation. Domashkanaitoka pangwa inwe na matinyarari achiti no Zimbabwe pangwa inwe haina leadership. Noda kuti pangwa inwe zvinasubira pachena kuti the leadership has failed. The judiciary, the parliament yatadza kuya pangwa inwe kuti imire pachokwadi nokuda kuti yava incompetent, yabribiwa nekuda corruption. Now avachakwanise, but the only persons or the only people wanokwanisa to restore order, these are the uniformed forces. When I comment section methods of Muro aim to be on the page to go each. When I comment section methods on subscribe or like, on the bell icon.